Under an overvoltage protection project, as the name suggests, whenever voltage exceeds from a particular limit or falls below a particular limit, let's say 180 volts or 170 volts, it will switch off the device that is connected here in place of that bulb. Arduino is used, transformer is used for the detection, and this is the power supply for the Arduino, and this is 10 ampere reader. Voltage level is safe, therefore the appliance is on. Whenever the voltage exceeds or falls below a certain limit, it will switch off the device.